Now when Pharaoh was drowning in the waters, and the last moment, now after 9 signs, after which each sign he used to say, Musa, pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to take away this punishment from us so that we will believe. But when the punishment will go away, he wouldn't believe. But the last punishment that he was about to face, the drowning into the waters, he says, now I believe in the God of the Bani Israel. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not accept that from him. And he was drowned. Have you ever noticed why? He's saying, I believe in God. Because he was only saying, La ilaha. He still did not believe Musa Rasulullah. So it is very important for a person to be considered a believer, to believe in the entire Shahada. You cannot pick and choose. Yahud say La ilaha illallah, but they do not say Muhammad Rasulullah. So they're not considered Muslims.